Yo, what's up YouTube? This is Mike from MPS Pools and Ultimate Pool Guy, and here we are doing a full backyard tear out. What we're dealing with today is the tile installation. We have a crack in the bond beam. This crack can visibly be seen running right through here, okay? As we turn the corner, we actually have to open the crack up so that we can pack it with a mortar bed. It is very important that these tiles are laid flat on a strong mortar bed with a high bond strength. The finished product is going to look like this. This crack is going to be filled with a high bond, high strength cement. So the crack in the bond beam in the pool goes almost 360 degrees. It's very common for us to start at the skimmer. The skimmer is almost always the hardest spot to deal with. So we deal with it first. So what we're doing here is we're setting the skimmer so that we can start tiling from here on out. Our tile job is going to start here, and here again you see the crack that we've had to deal with. The crack is running almost 360 degrees, okay? The tile is going to be coming out of the skimmer like such, okay, and then wrapping around, creating a 6-inch water line. Over there you can see the guy is working the same crack that we were talking about earlier. Working on top of scaffolding like that is very dangerous work. That type of scaffolding is called lean-to scaffolding. We want a nice, flat, smooth base so the tile lays even, flat, and level. You know that your mud is at the right consistency when it's not too watery and not too thick. Okay, you want this like a toothpaste material. The mud should easily be able to stick on the side of the wall. That's how you know you have appropriately mixed mud. What you see here is a coping repair. He's using thin set as a base and regular mortar to act as the anchor. What's happening here is we're dealing with the radius of the pool. Each tile needs to be cut individually to compensate for this radius. Here you can see we have a nice flat mortar bed and a nice spread of thin set. This thin set is a high bond, non-sag product. This is how we achieve the radius of the pool, and the tile is just going to continue all the way around. Here we have a diamond saw. This diamond blade is used to trim each piece to size. What's happening over here is we're cleaning the excess thin set to prepare for the grout. So now we have nice clean joints ready for grout. Right here, this man is maestro. Muchos años, many hours on the job. He knows exactly what to do. And you can tell because his hands are fast. Alfredo, the maestro. It is not the passing days that count. It is what you do with the days that pass. It is not the reps that you do that matter. It's how you do the reps that matter the most. Every day passes, but every day is lived. That is the path to a fulfilling life. You allow every day to pass, time will pass. You will get old. One day death will be upon you. It is your responsibility to make sure each day in between is lived to the fullest. This is Mike, and welcome to my backyard demo video. Did it really get you? Did it really get you?
Water.
Oh, water. This is Mike, and thanks for watching this week's how-to. And listen to what I gotta say, because there's some truth in it.